We are about to have dinner. Today we have cabbage casserole, and I'm taking this video so you can see how does it look like, because this is the recipe I sent. I was wondering, would you rather like to have some baking recipe? We eat this cabbage casserole with lingonberry jam.
Ei. Niin. Suppukahvit muista ihan hyvin.
How was your school day?
Se on ihan hyvin. Hei, mä kanssa.
What did you have for lunch at school today?
Meillä oli kasvisperuka ja peruna.
Okay. Not meatballs, but vegetable balls and potatoes. Okay. Hyvää ruokahalua. Bon appétit.
Kiitos.